Hi
Hi guys!
Mama.
This is my Arella. For today's video, I have a surprise question for Arella. So we can see how smart she is. Ito, medyo mahirap tong question na to, Arella.
Dapat.
1 plus 1. Ayoko na, alam mo na yun. Hindi to about school. This is about
love.
So we can see how smart you are, diba?
Guys, alam mo to? Diba ito? Sira.
Wow, so nice. So this is here's my question. Huwag maingay. How do you show love for a person? Ito, bibigyan ko ng example, masyadong general. For example na lang, one lang naman, you don't need to mention all. Just give me one person you love at school.
Of course.
Just lang naman.
Teacher Sharon and Teacher Elisha, Teacher Cory.
Okay, so sinabi niya lahat ng teachers niya. So love ni Arella lahat ng teachers niya. So, how do you show your love for them? Tell me.
I behave. Behave talaga ako sa school.
You're behaving. So, meaning, who wants you to be behave?
Teacher Shan, Teacher Elisha, Teacher Cory, Dr. Guzman.
So, our teachers want us to be behave in school. So, meaning you are following or obeying them, right? You're behave, diba? Tapos sabi nilang teachers mo yon. So, you're obeying them. Tama?
Yes!
So, obeying adults is one sign of love. Well, you are right naman. Well, you are right. Tama naman yung sagot mo. By being behave in school, meaning you love your teachers because you're obeying what they want. Diba? Everyday na lang kasi sa school, sabihin ni teacher talaga mag-behave kayo. Very good. And one more. For example, sino pa? For example, in our family, syempre, alam naman natin, you love.
Siyempre, paano yung family? Hindi mo siya
Siyempre, I mean, all of us naman, I know you love us all. So, give one na lang. In our family, whom do you love and how do you show your love for her or him?
That's
Si Erowin na lang, the youngest, the baby. Okay?
The bunso, the really bunso.
The youngest. So, love mo si Erowin. So, how do you show your love for Erowin?
Ding, ding, ding.
What does it mean?
I'm playing with him.
Yes.
Siyempre, baby naman, para sila laro.
Baby pa naman. So, tell me, why do you want to play with him?
Because it's a pink. And he's so cute.
Okay. By showing love to Erowin, you're pinching his face. Dito ka.
No, I'm playing with him.
You're playing with him. Hindi pa naman kasi baby pa siya. So newborn lang siya, hindi pa naman niya kaya makapag-play sa'yo. So you ganun him, you sing with him, you pinch his face. That's how you show your love for Erowin.
When I say pretend sleep, he's like, when I say pretend do it. Pag almost asleep, he's like,
yeah, by playing with her little brother, syempre sign of love for him pa rin yan. Good job. Okay. Very good answer, Arella. Syempre lahat naman kami, I know that you love us all.
But Erowin is the bunso, so I love him more.
Yes, syempre, baby natin yan. Thank you for answering my question and thank you for watching. Please follow us subscribe. God bless us all. Bye.